Immanuel Kant's Noumenal Universe by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Immanuel Kant, 1724 to 1804, a prominent figure in the history of philosophy, proposed a distinction between the phenomenal and noumenal realms in his influential work, Critique of Pure Reason. The concept of the noumenal universe has sparked extensive debate and interpretation among scholars and philosophers. To comprehend Kant's notion of the noumenal universe, it is crucial to grasp his broader philosophical framework. Kant sought to reconcile the rationalist and empiricist traditions that preceded him, aiming to establish the limits and possibilities of human knowledge. He posited that our experience of the world is shaped by the structures of our own minds, and that the human intellect imposes certain conceptual categories onto raw data of sensory experience. These categories, such as space, time and causality, are integral to our perception and understanding of the world. Central to Kant's philosophy is the distinction between the phenomenal and the noumenal realms. The phenomenal realm encompasses the world as it appears to us, shaped by our cognitive faculties and sensory perceptions. This is the realm of empirical reality, where objects and events are subject to the categories of understanding and the forms of intuition. In contrast, the noumenal realm pertains to things that are in themselves, independent of human cognition. Kant argued that while we can have knowledge of the phenomenal realm, the noumenal realm remains beyond the grasp of human understanding. The phenomenal universe depends on the noumenal universe. Kant argued that the phenomenal world, which is the world we experience through our senses, is shaped and structured by the noumenal world, which is the world of things as they are in themselves beyond our perception. The noumenal world sets the conditions for our understanding and perception of the phenomenal world, influencing how we interpret and make sense of our experiences. This interdependence between the two realms highlights Kant's belief in the limitations of human knowledge and the importance of recognizing the role of the noumenal world in shaping our understanding of reality. In Kant's philosophy, the noumenal universe indirectly affects the phenomenal universe. This is not in terms of cause and effect, as understood in the phenomenal universe. While the noumenal realm is beyond human perception and understanding, Kant argued that it serves as the underlying foundation that shapes our experiences in the phenomenal world. According to Kant, our perceptions and interpretations of the phenomenal world are influenced by the structure and the principles of the noumenal realm, even though we can never truly know or access it directly. Our understanding of the phenomenal world is shaped by the categories of the understanding that are inherent in our minds. These categories organise and structure our sensory experiences, shaping how we perceive and interpret the world around us. In this way, the noumenal universe indirectly shapes our experiences by providing the framework through which we make sense of the phenomenal world. Put simply, the noumenal universe provides self-organising processes that serve as the foundation for the order and regularity we observe in the phenomenal world. Kant believed that our minds impose certain concepts and categories on our sensory experiences, organising them according to the inherent structures of the noumenal realm. This interplay between the noumenal and phenomenal worlds allows for a coherent and structured understanding of reality. Kant posited the possibility that time may not exist in the noumenal universe. He viewed the nature of time as a form of intuition that structures our experience of the phenomenal world. Kant argues that time is a necessary framework for human understanding and cannot be divorced from our perception of reality. However, when considering the noumenal realm beyond human cognition, Kant suggests that we cannot apply our concepts of time and space since they are products of our mental faculties. Therefore, in the noumenal universe, time may indeed have a different or even non-existent status compared to the phenomenal world. Kant therefore posits that in the noumenal universe, time is not experienced in the same way as in the phenomenal world. Kant's theory suggests that the noumenal realm exists beyond human perception and understanding, making it difficult to apply concepts such as causation and time to this realm. The idea that lack of time in the noumenal universe may allow for backward causation challenges traditional notions of cause and effect, as it implies a non-linear understanding of events. This concept raises intriguing questions about the nature of reality and our ability to comprehend the fundamental workings of the universe. Kant's noumenal universe can be related to quantum theory in the sense that both concepts deal with the limitations of human understanding when it comes to the nature of reality. Kant's noumenal realm represents the unknowable aspects of the world that lie beyond our normal sensory experience and cognitive capabilities. Similarly, quantum theory challenges our traditional notions of causality and determinism, suggesting that at a subatomic level, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until measured. Both Kant's noumenal universe and quantum theory point to the idea that there are aspects of reality that may be inherently beyond our grasp, highlighting the complexities of existence that transcend our empirical knowledge. However, it can be argued that the fact that quantum events can be observed and studied, albeit with specialist scientific equipment, puts quantum itself within the phenomenal universe. Kant's delineation of the noumenal universe is closely tied to his ideas on epistemological limitations. He contended that our cognitive faculties, while capable of organising sensory data into coherent experience, are unable to penetrate the noumenal realm. This assertion reflects Kant's skepticism about the possibility of accessing ultimate reality beyond the confines of human cognition. The noumenal universe, therefore, stands as a realm of unknowability, forever beyond the reach of human knowledge. Kant's concept of the noumenal universe has been the subject of extensive scrutiny and debate. Critics have raised various objections to Kant's epistemic divide between the phenomenal and noumenal realms. Some have argued that Kant's distinction leads to a problematic dualism, creating an unbridgeable gap between appearance and reality. Others have contended that the very notion of a realm beyond human cognition is incoherent, as it seems to posit an unknowable domain about which nothing can be meaningfully said. Despite the criticisms levelled against Kant's concept of the noumenal universe, the notion continues to be a source of inspiration and debate in contemporary philosophy. Scholars have explored its relevance to diverse areas such as metaphysics, epistemology, and philosophy of mind. Some have sought to reinterpret Kant's ideas in the light of contemporary developments in philosophy, while others have used the noumenal realm as a springboard for their own philosophical enquiries. In conclusion, Kant's notion of the noumenal universe remains a provocative and enigmatic aspect of his philosophical system. Its implications for our understanding of reality, knowledge, and the limits of human cognition continue to provoke scholarly interest and debate. While Kant's concept has not been without its detractors, its enduring influence testifies to its significance in the history of philosophy. As we continue to grapple with questions about the nature of reality and the scope of human knowledge, Kant's noumenal universe stands as a perennially intriguing and challenging concept.